How to set default message on iOS 26 on your iPhone. Guys, go ahead and tap on settings, tap on general, tap on software update to be sure that you have the latest version of iOS on your device. Once you've updated your iPhone to the latest version, then comes out until you get to this place, locate and tap on this button, apps. Now tap on here, type in message or you locate message from the message apps you have on your device. Now scroll up until you see preferred language. Tap on it. Now you can select any preferred language here. English, just swap until you have access to the language you want to use as your preferred language on your device. So I still remain English. Now that's all guys. If you enjoyed this tip on how to set a preferred language on messaging apps on your iOS device, and if you're not subscribed, please subscribe for more updates like this.